Welcome in Technology channel. In this video we will discuss about Haier Y11C problem. In current model, keyboard problem is very common, and we are going to discuss a particular problem that is about software, not hardware. Keyboard of this laptop is perfectly working. As you see, I am depressing different keys, but if I am going to press some alphabets, as you are watching on the screen, laptop is printing wrong keys. I am going to press alphabets, but on screen you are watching dashes and numerics. So how to resolve this problem? In this video we will discuss this problem. Please subscribe my channel and like, and if you like my video, so please share with your friends. So here we are going to discuss about its solution. So this is not a hardware level problem, this is software level problem. So how to resolve this problem, please see in the video. I am going to press function key. As you see, function key on your laptop, then depressing this key, keep pressing it, keep pressing it, and then press F11 on this key. Also printed num lock. So press this key. Now we will depress those keys again. You are watching on screen. Now laptop going to print exact keys what I am going to press. So this problem is resolved. So now I am going to press again the same keys, function key and num lock. So now you see problem is again back. So this is the ultimate solution for wrong key printing issue. Again, I am going to request you, please subscribe my channel, and if you like, so share this video with your friends also. Thanks for watching.